Want Apple CarPlay and a dash cam without tearing apart your dashboard? This completely modernized my car. This is an 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay screen with a front dash cam and separate rear camera, and it works flawlessly with iPhone. I drive a 13-year-old car and didn't want a complicated install or to pay someone hundreds to do it. I was looking for a dash cam and found this combo. Install took me under 10 minutes. Even if you want to hide all the cables neatly, I can't see it taking more than 1 hour. No professional help needed. For the price, the screen quality and touch responsiveness are impressive. Not quite Apple level smooth, but very close. Colors look accurate and CarPlay integration is seamless. The dash cam video is clean and crisp, but you won't read license plates unless they're close, but it's absolutely good enough for evidence if you ever need it. You can record up to 4K or lower the resolution to save space. And surprise bonus, it includes a 64 GB micro SD card. It needs power plugged in, but audio works via Bluetooth or internal speaker. The internal speakers, they're not great, but Bluetooth fixes that instantly. If you drive a right-hand drive vehicle, there's a setting to flip the CarPlay layout. Super useful. And the mounting plate is flexible. Warming it with a hairdryer helps it stick perfectly. And the single mounting ball lets it rattle on bumpy roads. Auto dimming is time-based instead of light-based, and the extra charging port is USB-A, not USB-C. But the pros are huge. It's a value king. Responsive display, great CarPlay experience, solid app, and the fact that you get a separate rear camera included. I'll install the rear camera in the summer. It's too cold right now, but overall this brought my car into the modern age without touching the dash. All in all, I'm thrilled with the purchase. If you want modern tech, big value, and an easy install, this absolutely delivers.